Hi, Mr. Wright here, and it's finally arrived the day before your Maths Paper 1. Now, first things first, please hit like now if you're taking your Edexcel IGCSE Maths Paper 1 tomorrow. And please press pause and take a moment to tell me in the comments how you're feeling about tomorrow's exam. Now, in this short film, I'll do three things. I'll share a couple of tips before tomorrow's exam. I'll let you know what's coming up on the channel to support you between now and your paper 2. And finally, I'll give you a link to a film which you absolutely must watch before tomorrow's paper. So, a couple of tips. First of all, remember you've got this. You've done lots of practice. You're familiar with the sorts of questions that you're going to be asked, and you know how to tackle them. Tomorrow is all about showing the examiner what you can already do. Secondly, and this one's important, at some point in the paper, you're going to hit a question and you're going to think, I'm not sure how to start this, or I don't know how to do this. And that is totally normal. The examiners are trying to test you after all, so you know that these moments will come. But that is not a reason to panic. Your best grade will come from staying calm when you're not sure what to do. You don't need to know how to answer the whole question before you begin it. Just take a first step. Now, that first step could be underlining the information in the question. It could be drawing a diagram. It could be calculating whatever you can calculate from the information given in the question. But start writing, take a first step, even if it's not perfect, and even if you're not sure where it's going to end up. You'll often find that once you take the first step, the second one becomes clearer, and then the next, and then the next. And who knows, you might end up at a solution. But even if you don't, you'll score part marks or method marks for each step you take too. Now, what's coming up next on the channel to help you? Well, while you're in your exam, I'll publish a short video asking you what came up on the paper. So when you come out of the exam, have a watch of the film and take a moment to comment on that film in as much detail as you can about all that came up on your paper 1. Then, with all that information you've given me, I'll create prediction films for paper 2H, paper 2HR, and the foundation papers too. And I'll put together playlists filled with films on these predicted topics. So make sure you're on my mailing list. There's a link in the description, and then you'll be the first to know when these films are released. And then we'll have over 2 weeks to prepare for paper 2. So together we'll be able to get you sorted, and we'll be able to make sure that you get your highest possible mark in paper 2 and your best possible grade overall. So what do you need to do now? Well, please like this film and please leave a comment if you haven't already telling me how you're feeling about tomorrow's exam. And then join the mailing list and you will be the first to know when my predictions films for paper 2 come out. Now, here comes a link to a film you must watch before tomorrow's paper. Watch it carefully, follow my advice. This advice, and you acting on this advice, might just be the thing that could move you up from one grade to the next. Good luck tomorrow. You've got this.